Hello, friends. Let me hope you're fine. Yes, I can see members here. I'm happy to see all of you. Mm, my name is Fred Olang. Give me thumbs up if you can hear me. If you can't hear me, can you friends hear me? Okay, Simon says he can hear me. Okay, today is mainly knowing the basics. Okay, today is mainly knowing the basics. What do you have to know? Okay, to be a wonderful trader is what you are going to talk about. What I have to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, trading is fun, trading is nice, trading gives you the freedom. Okay, a trader is that person who can live anywhere at any time. You get it? You can live any part of the world simply because the business we are in of crypto trading is a business that does not limit you on where you can stay. Okay, so as long as you have your internet, even if you're in the village, you have your internet, you can still make money. So that is a good news with our business. Okay, I can see a number of leaders here. Mr. Kinda, welcome. Mwedu, I don't know whether he's a lady or a gentleman. Kasimi, Dam Justin, Rachel, you guys are welcome. Okay, so let me see if everyone can hear me. Okay, if you can hear me just one more time, give me a thumbs up. I just want to test my network. Okay, Simon says it's okay. Okay, that's nice. Okay, now trading is that simple. Okay, all you need to know is simple things. One, you need to know the candles. Okay, candles. You need to know what does bullish mean, what does bearish mean, what does someone was telling me doesn't know these things and I'm not seeing her here. Hmm? Start marking. Marking. You. You. I have started. So go to the group and tell them we have started. So via these trainings, I really want to train our what? New people who can give us signals. You get it? It'd be nice when we train new signal deliverers. So this is let me get what? Right screen. So this is going to be one of those very nice and simple trainings that everyone is going to like. Okay, I think we can start now. Okay, we can start. We can start with this. I'm sharing. Now trading is simple. The first thing you need to know is the what? The understanding the candlesticks. Candlesticks, understanding the candlesticks is very simple. Okay, the market will give you a graph. Well, if I want to simplify it, I call them graphs. A graphic representation. Like you can see this. You can see this. Okay. If you see that, sorry, it's green shaded. It's shaded in green like that. Green shade. Now, let's say this. I'm looking at this as a 1 hour. So, however, it can be 3 hours, 4 hours, 1 day chart, 1 week. So it really depends on which chart that you're looking at. Now, this is showing you that the market at the beginning of that hour, the market was here. We call that the open. Then it will show you that at the end of the hour, where this body, we call this the body, where this body ended is the what? Is the close. Okay, but the market does not just open here and then it ends there. No, sometimes it goes beyond where it closed. So let's say it went up here, so we call that the high. You get it? And then here we call that the low. The low. So because that hour started when the market was low and it ended when the market price was high, so we have a green candle. Call it bullish candle. Bullish candle. When you know that hey, that hour ended with a bullish candle, meaning the market went up. There is another scenario I have to give you. Most of the time, it's a ready candle. Let's say like this. There's something like this. Ready candle. Now, this shows that this is open. Open. The hour started when the price was here. Then the hour ended when the price is here. We call that the close. You get it? Then we say this was the open, this was the close. But at some point within that hour, the market tried to go up here. So we call that the high. You get it? Then at some point in that hour, the market tried to go down. So we call that the low. So because it's a ready candle, we call it a bearish candle. Bearish. Why we call it bearish? It's because the market went down in that hour. So if you can really identify those candles, okay, on the chart, you're good to go. Let me say I want to look at a what? I want to look at this coin, CTX. I want to look at CTX. For me, I trade a 1 hour chart. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. Then my thing is not shifting. Let's see. What's this? I want to look at CTX. If my chart can shift. Okay, even if it doesn't shift, look at this. Just a minute. If you understand those simple things, you're going to understand the trading. Yeah? Okay. I want to look at a coin called. Just look at this one. Just look at it. Okay, either it's okay. So for me, I look at the 1 hour chart. Okay, like from the 1 hour chart, you can see. Let me take a scenario of this candle. Are you seeing this? This. Okay. Now this shows that this hour started when the market price was here. So that we call that the open. But by the time the hour ended, the market was here. The price was there. then we call that the close. Okay. So because the market, the hour started when the market was low and ended when the market was high, we call that a bullish candle. You will see a green candle. Okay. Now, sometimes the market goes up. We call that the high. And then the market goes low from the open. We call that the low. You get it? So that is an interpretation of this. So if you can really know that, that's okay. It's enough for you. Now, bearish. I think I drew this for you. Okay, bearish. The hour opened when the market was here. Then the hour closed when the market was here. So because the open was high and the close was low, then we call the market was bearish. But see clearly, at some point the market tried to go up here. We call that the high. Sometimes, and then it also tried to go. So this shows you that the candle was a bearish. Okay, because the open was higher than the close. So after understanding those small things, the next thing you need to understand are the different patterns. Okay, I will show you just what. So I want to tell you price action, price action. Now there are some things you look at and then say, if I say this, there are higher chances that the price might change. You get it? So, looking at price action, I want you to observe this. This, we call this doji. Doji. If I say this, eh, the candle is looking like that. This is a sign that, this might be the higher chances that the market might change direction. Okay. So you will see those things. Let me give you an example. I think these ones. If the market has been going down, I say the move, we are going down, and then you start seeing those dodges, these ones. You know that there are chances that we might go up. Okay, those are called dodges. Here's another doji. Any other doji? Doji. Yes, you'll be seeing them very many on the charts. Okay, like this, this one. I'm saying it shows if the market has been going up, and then you start seeing these ones, you just know there are chances that we might go down. Okay. Now after showing you that, I also want you, that is called a doji. Sometimes it's green, sometimes it's what? It's red. Like you see, like that. Just know the trend. There are higher chances that if I say that there are chances that one we might go down, or if I have been going down, there are chances that we might go up. So these are the things you're going to be looking for. Okay. The other thing is engulfing. So it can be, okay, we have been going down, the market was going down, and all of a sudden I see something like this, like that. Now I'm trying to show you that we've been having ready candles. The market was going down, the position, and then I see this, where the body of this green candle is covering up this. We call that engulfing bar. So when I see an engulfing bar, let me show it to you on the chart. Okay, let me show you the chart. Okay, let me show you the chart. Good. I think this. If I look at this, actually this was nice. I showed you doji. and then an engulfing. This one was a sign that, oh, the market, this thing which was going down, there are chances that it might go up. You get it? So those are signs. Eh? Those are what? Those are signs. Another one. Another one can be here. Where? Another one is here. See this. See this. This candle is overshadowing this. So this is an engulfing bar. There are chances that we might go up. Now, when this, you see this in a certain levels, okay, which I will show you, you know that. So that's what we call price action. Then the other one, which we really need to know. Okay, but however, there are sometimes the engulfing can be, let's say we are going up, let's say we are going up, printing green candles, going up like this, and then I see a red candle coming, and then a red candle coming like that. Now I think this, okay, sorry. I'm saying, like what I'm meaning is this. I'm seeing a red candle engulfing. So that is a sign that we are going to go down. Like, let me give you an example. Yes, an example is this. I'm seeing a red candle engulfing the body of this. I say now the market goes down. So this engulfing thing can be bearish or bullish. Let me show you another scenario. Here's another scenario. Another scenario is here. I saying this candle is covering up this one. So are you saying what happened? The resultant was going down. So if you can see those what? If I can see those levels, if I can see this price action in some areas which are really very, very important, like I'm going to show you, you just know this is it. Okay? So if you can know price action, you're good to go. What are the price action I've so far told you? Doji. 2, engulfing bar. 3, I'm going to show you more 2. More 2. 1, another one is morning and evening star. Okay? Morning star. Let me show you. I want to tell you this thing such that morning star. Right. Morning star will have been coming down. Morning star has been coming down. Okay. And then I see 2 candles. One can be this. Okay. Another one like this. Okay. Now this been going down like that. Now the morning star I'm meaning is this one. The morning star is this one. Morning star had 3 candles. Okay. With it 2 green candles and 1 red. Now, this is a sign of change of what? Direction. Let me show you. Morning star. Good. An example. As you think, we've been coming down. And I see this 1 candle, 2 candle, a 3rd candle. I think these 2 green candles is a sign that the market can go up. Listen, what happened later? The market went up. Now, if I see that in some areas, another example is here. I think this red candle, green candle, another green candle. This is a morning star. What happened? The market went up. Okay. Then other, yes. One. This is the candle. Actually, this was a doji, wonderful. 1, 2. So the chance that the market could go up. So when you see that in some nice areas, like I will show you, you just know this is a morning star. or going down. I think this. Actually, it first showed you dojis. I think this doji. Okay, now this is one, two, three. I getting this a morning star. Certain areas, and you're seeing that. Just know the market is going to go up. Now it can also be an evening star. Evening star. Evening star causes the market to go down. So we've been going up. We have been going up. Been going up, going up, going up. Then I see red candle, another red candle here, and then another red candle here. This is what I'm meaning. Okay. This is what I'm calling evening star. You get it? So once you see that, you know that the market is more likely going to go down. There are people following me. Let me know if people are following me. If you're following me, thumbs up. Okay, wonderful. Hope you guys are learning. You're learning because I don't just want to go through. I want to make sure people are learning. Okay. Yes, people are learning. Wonderful. Now, Now, evening star. Okay. I think this. I think this. So this we've been going up, but I see one, two, three candles. Okay. Two green, one red, trying to cover up the body of the other one. You just know that we are going to go down. Another example is here. Okay. We try to go up, and then I see this. Actually, this was engulfing, and then a confirmation with this. So you just realize that the thing is going to continue going down. Now, once I see this in a very good area, like I'm going to show you where I make entries, just enter. Don't take long. Okay. Then that is evening. Oh, not enter. If we don't enter on evening stars. The evening star is trying to show you that the market is going to retrace, because for us we don't gain when the market is going down. Plus we just gain when the market is going up. But evening star can be a good warning for you to take profit, just in case you're still in the trade. Okay. Then another one is a hammer. A hammer is this, just like any the real hammer. Okay, like a hammer can be bearish or it can be bullish. So something like this. Now, once I see this most of the time, a candle that has a long wick. The point is long wick and then a body. So it can be this long wick. Now, this week shows that there is a great rejection. That somewhere here, there are very many orders that has pushed the market to really go down. So you get it. Somewhere here, there are very many orders that have pushed this. That's why you had the wrong week. Then somewhere here, there are very many orders that has pushed this. Okay, those are the hammers. The what? We call this hammer. Hammer is a sign that the market will reverse. If I see that, oh no, if I see that, like I sing this can be red or sing this long week, meaning somewhere here there are very many orders that has made this, and now you see what resulted going up. Okay, hammer. Can I identify any other hammer? Any other hammer? Okay. A hammer. It's like a nyundo. In Uganda, we call it a nyundo. If you say nyundo somewhere, this was a nyundo. I think this. Wrong week. Somewhere there are very many orders that has made us push. So this shows that anytime we might go down. So once I see that in some nice areas, like I'm going to show you those areas, you just know, man, there are chances that we might go down. Okay. So those are the price action, guys. At least if you can identify the doji, you can identify engulfing bar, you can identify the what? The evening star. Oh, the last one is because I told you I'll give you more three. Last one is three green soldiers. Okay. We've been going down. We've been going down. Okay. That's how we've been going down. I'm sure now you know when I say we've been going down because this is what I started with. Okay, we've been going down. And now I see three green soldiers. One, two, three. So this three green soldiers, it's a confirmation that you're going to go up. You get it? Three green soldiers. Or if at all I have three red soldiers. This is what you call price action. We've been going up. We've been going up. We've been going up. Going up with our candles. And then at the end of the day, after some level, I see three red soldiers. This is a confirmation that we are going to go down. I have to show you this on the chart. Three red soldiers. Like this. 1, 2, 3. That's a confirmation that we're going to go down. Three red soldiers. Three green soldiers. 1, 2, 3. It's a confirmation that we're going to go up. For the three green soldiers. Now, okay, price action is good. Okay. But this price action, you can't just base on it. You get it? But it is a very good, it's a very good, it's very good for you to make entries. Are you getting me, my friends? Why? Price action will tell you that this is what is happening. Like if I say an engulfing bar at a what? At a level of supply zone. Just no man. At the supply zone, I've seen engulfing bar, but then you just know that we are going to go down. If I see a morning star at the level of a demand zone, wow, then I just make an entry because it's at the demand zone. If I say doji at the demand zone, okay. Now, what are those zones you're talking about? Yes, is it Benon? Benon, you're asking me something. You're raising your hand.
Doctor, there is where I don't get you properly now. Do you enter after when the third candle in the three ones is already done?
Hey, in the three ones. Okay, do I enter when the third candle is done? Okay. Now, some people will, it depends on what exactly that you want. Now, if that you're trading, because I've just given you confirmations that maybe you see a doji and then you enter. Maybe for you say morning star because the morning star that three green candles overpowering the other ones, or others will just make an entry depending on what on just seeing an engulfing. Then others will wait and then see the three soldiers, which is okay. So if you're using the three soldiers as your entry, wait until the third candle is done. You get it? By
Okay.
this, yes, sir. And now I'm telling you, don't just enter because you have seen the three candles. The trading is about getting confluence. Confluence is this has confirmed, this has also confirmed, and also this has also confirmed. We call that a confluence. Okay, now I'm going to teach you Okay, this seems like I'm just revising, but I want to make sure that I repeat these things. No, trading is like medicine. I always equate it to medicine. For you to be a good medical student, you have to repeat these things. And the way medicine was done is to make you repeat these things until all these things come on your fingertip. So that's why every time I get chance to talk to you guys, I repeat these things such that you learn. Now, the other thing you need to know is at least the two things you need to understand the demand zone and the supply zone. Okay, if you can know the demand zone and the supply zone, you're good to go. Okay, let me show you this. I think okay. Sometimes I what? Sometimes I overlook this, but after understanding the before I even got the demand and the supply zone, I need to tell you. mm, I need to tell you about the what? About the trends. Guys, this is very, very important. Okay? We have three types of trends. Okay? We have a downtrend. The market is doing those moves. The other one is an uptrend. The market is going like this. Okay, that's an uptrend. The other one is a ranging market. Ranging market. The market is going like this. Okay, so you need to know that in the ranging market, the market is stuck in some levels. If you can't identify downtrend, is it ranging? Okay, if you can't understand this, then you cannot make a good trade. Even if you're good at identifying what? Identifying price action. Now, the thing is, if this I have really identified that this is a ranging market, and I know the ranging market, the market is stuck in 2 points. Now I look for price action within these levels. You get it? I look for price action within this level. Maybe a doji, maybe a what, maybe you get it. So that's what I will be identifying. Maybe I will look at a hammer around here, or I'll look at an evening star around here. Then I know. You get it? Now, how about the what? How about the what? The trending market, the trending market, an uptrend, an uptrend. You get it? The market is making these moves. I think. Now, like I told you, when the market is uptrending, I'll just identify price action along these levels. I think I'll identify price action along these levels. Maybe I say doji here, you get it, Huh? Maybe I say an evening star around there. Maybe I see, maybe I say what? Evening star, doji, a hammer, maybe an engulfing bar around there. Those are the points where I'm looking at. So you realize that these things are important. Okay, you cannot know price action before you know the candles. Then you can't know the what? You can't know. Okay, you can't make a good trade unless you know the trend. Because I told you the best market to trade is this kind of market. You get it? I'm going to show you examples. Okay. Now, like I told you, this is the market we are trading. If I don't see this, if I keep seeing I want to trade and all I'm seeing is this downtrending, I don't open any trade. Some people might be tempted to look for maybe an engulfing bar around here and then you make an entry to exit around somewhere there. It's risky. Okay, if you It's very risky because the guys are pushing the market down. They are using crazy amounts of money to push the market down. Who are you, Fred Olang, to oppose them? You can't oppose them, okay? So just have to trade alongside them, okay? Now let's continue, my friends. Okay, after identifying the trend is simple, is very, very, very simple. Like, let me show you this. Let me show you this. Mhm. I saying we are going up, making higher lows and higher highs. Let me try to do this. Okay, we are going up, making higher lows, higher high. What is this? It's not that one. Get another one. Get another. There is okay. The other one is for the path. Suppose. Okay, this one. This is what I think we are going up, making higher highs, higher lows, making higher high, breaking structures. Then we later alone went below the previous low. The system will show that there was a change of character. And when we tried to go, we went down. On trying to go up, we failed. Then we continued going down. Trying to go up, we failed. And then we went below. We failed to go beyond the previous highs and went below that. Now, the system will print for you that there was a break of structure. First of all, there was a change of character, and now there is break of structure. This is now a confirmation that is a downtrend. Now, after I've identified the downtrend, then I what? I confirm it's a downtrend. I think downtrend, market has been downtrending, making breaking structures going low. Now I think going low. Now this is just a retracement. Now some people can become tempted. They think that I can join here and then I take some small profit and then as the market continues, my friend, you can easily be trapped and then you're pushed down. I think so. The market will continue making lows. Okay, the market will continue making lows. I think this low continue going low. Okay, and then I comes and then breaking up more structures. And if you're seeing it is, I think breaking structures, higher low, no, lower highs and lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. You know that the market is going down. So that is a confirmation that the market is going down. That's a trend. Now, if I see we are in a downtrend, why would I trade? Avoid trading in a downtrend, okay? Okay. Now, what's an uptrend? Sorry, sorry for that. Uptrend, can I identify an uptrend? So, how can I see downtrends? Downtrends are seen by red BOS, okay? If you have smart money, red break of structure, red break of structures. If I see that, just know, man, the things are not good. Red break of structures are not good. Downtrend is characterized by red break of structures. Uptrend is characterized by green break of structures. Okay. So now let's continue, my friends. Let's continue. Okay. Now, now that you can identify downtrend, uptrend, I've seen my good uptrend. Now, Fred, you've told us how to use my price action. You get it? Uh-huh. And you said if I see price action at a very good areas of let's say let's say I want to show you three things. One is demand zone, two supply zone, three fair value gap. Okay, then you if you can I say those things, can read the candles. Two, price action. Three, the trend. Four, the what the wonderful areas, areas of value. Okay, then you're going to be a good trader. Listen, you see, my friend, we are in an uptrend. Uptrend is characterized by break of structures. This BOS, this BOS, this BOS. Very wonderful. Now, after the market has broken in structure, let's say this is the last break of structure we've had. Now, that move that broke the structure started here, and then it has gone as far as up to here. Now, this becomes a trading zone. Have you seen that? This becomes a trading what? Trading zone. So the market is free to play around here up to here. So you can trade around here. Another one. After the market has broken the structure, it creates a new trading zone. Now this was a trading zone. So you could easily open a trade around here. So every time you see a break of structure, just know the market creates a new trading what? Trading zone. You get it? Now, in this trading zone, we have three things you have to identify. Around here, you will see what we call a demand zone. Demand what? Zone. Then around here, in the middle around here, you will see a fair value gap. You get it? Those are the areas where we should do. Identify if I can see price action within those areas, then I make an entry. You get it? Let me give you what let's start with demand zone. I think we have some many minutes. Let's start with the demand zone. Now, a demand zone, okay, when I want to make this bigger, so this thing I'm drawing here, it is making this big. Okay, I want to use candles. We were going down the tracing, and then we started let's say going up, where we made the next break of structure somewhere here. Where we had a break of this big man. And they boss. Then we had a break of structure somewhere there. Now, this thing is a bigger version of this. Now, I will see the last candle, okay, in here. The candle, the candle which had the wick. I think this is the candle I'm talking about. So I'll draw two lines, one at the lower and two. Now this creates what you call a demand zone. So you can place trades around here. So the one I'm drawing somewhere here, a demand zone here. This is a demand zone. So I'll place a trade from here up to the previous break of structure. You get it? And then I'll tell my robot to place the trades around here. So that's what you call a demand zone. Let's go to the charts and I'll show you this. Let's go to the charts and I'll show you. I show you. Okay, this works in an uptrend. Okay. Okay, this is what I was trying to do. I got another chart. Okay. Okay, let us assume I've seen a break of structure. I'm saying there was a change of character. Those who have been attending with me, we say this is an indication that the price will change. And then I say a break of structure. So that move that made this break of structure originated from around here. Then I will identify the last candle. You get it? The last candle. It's weak, whose week is the lowest. Then I'll draw two lines. I'll draw two lines at the lower levels, like that. And then I draw another line at the top of that, like this. So this becomes the trading zone. Manya, the demand zone. I'm saying this. This is the demand zone. I think there is somewhere I can type. Add some text here. I can call this. Okay. Mm, add some text here and say this is my demand zone. You see, that's my demand zone. However, for me, sometimes I may not use the lines. I use the square. Is it the square, the rectangle? Like that is my rectangle. I put like this, like that. And then I change its color to fill it green. That's a demand zone. So every time the price will revisit this. So if I'm trading using the demand zone, I'll just tell my robot to make an order here. And then I take profit before that move. And before that move that broke the structure. That move came up to around there. You get it? That's a demand zone. Hope you have understood the demand zone. Now, even there is what you call supply zone. What is a supply zone, Fred? Supply zone, I think in a downtrend, you realize that we are breaking structures in what? In red. Now, that move that made a break of structure, I think the move that made a break of structure, at some point, there is a candle where it originated from. That candle, if I'm to see it, that candle is this one. Okay, the trading view will shade it for you. I think this shade, this one, the red shade. If you're using smart money to shade it for you. However, let me teach you how to draw it yourself. So I'll get my two lines and I put one on top of that and the second one at the lowest week, that one. So that means I would have created a supply zone. I want to add this to my favorites. That's that. Then I say this is my supply zone. So that's a supply zone. However, for me, I don't use two lines. That's two lines to show you. I use my rectangle like that, and then I shade this. this red. So I have my supply zone. Now that means because this is a supply zone, the higher chances that every time I visit the market revisits that supply zone, it will go down. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing this? You see? Are you seeing this? Seeing this? The market, after doing this move, it came back to revisit the supply zone and continued falling down. And then it made another break of structure. When it breaks the structure, it will create another demand zone. That move that made to the break of structure, where did it originate from? It originated from this kakando. Are you seeing this kakando? Yes, this one. Eh? If I'm to draw it, started here, does it say? And then ended somewhere there. So it creates another supply zone. If I want to text and add my text here, then I can say another supply zone. So now, there are higher chances that the market, after breaking this, it will revisit the supply zone. However, it's not a guarantee. Okay. Now you know that in the what in the downtrend we are creating supply zones. Then in the what in the uptrend we have demand zones. But the most important thing is for you to learn how to identify the demand zone and the supply zone. Our time has gone. Let me just summarize. So if you have your demand zone ready, then what you do is simple, is to what? Is to make if I identify price action within those zones. Now are you seeing it? Okay. Now like you can see, if I see what is this? This is evening star within the demand zone. When you're within the supply zone, you know that market is going to go down. What else have I seen? If I can see, I'm seeing this, an engulfing bar, this kind of engulfed this within the supply zone. Just know that, man, things are what? The market is going to continue going down. You get it, eh? Now I saying, we had demarcated this as a demand zone. This is a demand zone, and now I'm seeing, what am I seeing? I'm seeing morning star within the demand zone. I'm seeing these three candles, morning star. Oh, three green soldiers around the demand zone. You just know that the market is respecting that area. It is going to go up. So, at least if you can identify those things, then you can be a good what? A good trader. Let me just take a few questions. My wife. So, my friends, is there any question on that? If there are questions, sure, I can answer. If there are no questions, we can call it a day and then we start from there the next time we are meeting. I think, is it on Thursday? Yeah, I have another session with you on Thursday. Is there any question, friends? There are no questions. Okay. Have a blessed day. I love you so much. I believe you shall win. Okay. What you do, don't miss the trainings. And our God is faithful. So make the big money. Okay. Good.